If you've forgotten your Pinterest password or want to change it for security reasons, follow these simple steps to reset it. Step 1. Open the Pinterest login page. Go to the Pinterest website or open the Pinterest app on your device. Click on the login button to access the login page. Step 2. Click on Forgot Your Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Your Password link. Click on it to initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email address. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Pinterest account. Type in your email and click on the Send Reset Link button. Step 4. Check your email. Open your email inbox and look for an email from Pinterest with the subject line related to password reset. Click on the link provided in the email to proceed. Step 5. Create a new password. You will be directed to a page where you can enter a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before, confirm it, and then save the changes. Once you have completed these steps, you can log into your Pinterest account using your new password. Remember to keep your password secure for future access.